What's up, you guys? So today I'm going to do yet another different kind of video. This is not a makeup recommendation, but this is my fantasy wish list from my favorite brand. Yes, I have saw some international beauty bloggers that I love, like Kelly Gooch and some other influencer doing this. So I thought it's a very interesting concept. I wish these brands launch these trendy makeup that is getting so much hype in the international market would be launched in India by these Indian brands. So if you want to know what are those products which are getting so much buzz and hype in the international makeup and that Indian brands should launch, keep on watching. So I recently saw Shreya Jain doing an anti-haul, and I thought I should also do this. Maybe I will do an anti-haul. There are so many things which I can anti-haul when it comes to Indian brands like Lakme, Nykaa, and they are boring. I have to say that. Like, yeah, let's just get started. So this is not the anti-haul, this is a wish list which I want, like the products which are not existing in Indian market by Indian brands, and I don't want them from Indian makeup brands. Okay, so yeah, and lately ever since 2021, yeah, skin tints, oh my god, every US based brand and every international brand in fact has a skin tint. Tarte, Colourpop, so many I can name that. Even I think L'Oreal has a skin tint in international makeup market. So I don't know why nothing came to India. Like, I know Wet n Wild has their skin tint, which is I think overpriced. They should give at least 50% off on it. Okay, so skin tint are very less in terms of coverage. They are like water-based consistency. They are not BB cream. I hope I'm making sense. Okay, so the skin tint, we can say it's like a skin tint is this inside ultra thin second skin foundation. So you can see the consistency is very runny. I hope you can see. So yeah, these are skin tints. Okay, so inside one has 4 shades. So yeah, 4 shades. Okay, so yeah, that's again a thing even with skin tint which has such less coverage. International brands like Tarte, Colourpop, and so many of them are launching skin tints. Every brand has a skin tint in US. I don't know why this should be so popular, especially in India. I don't see people having a full coverage makeup. So this can be so much popular in Indian market. A lot more people who don't like makeup because it looks too heavy, cakey, and it looks artificial will start using them, because skin tints it's like your skin but better. Just that it is very light in terms of coverage. You cannot even feel that you have something in your face. So I think this can be such a good thing to launch in Indian market, especially by Indian brands. And when I saw Miss Claire doing that 16 shades of foundation, I saw a hope that Indian affordable beauty brands will make such more products. So I hope from Miss Claire, I hope from Mars, I hope from Insight to make skin tint with at least 20 shades. So I hope they will listen to me. So yeah, it's time in 2022 that brands should make skin tint. Okay, recently Insight launched their full coverage foundation. I love it. It's so good. But it's 2022. Trend is more into sheer coverage makeup. So Insight, please launch a sheer coverage something with 20 shades, not with 4 shades. Okay, and then we are moving on to the next thing is lip oils. So many brands in US has a lip oil. Now lip oil and lip gloss are slightly different. Like, lip oils are like oils, they are like jojoba butter, shea butter, and it has all the good things, and it has some color to it, and it gives you high shine also. So it's like a gloss, but I hope I'm making a sense. Like, they're really lightweight also. So every brand, even Sigma, I don't know why Sigma don't have their makeup in India. Why Sigma, I saw a colleague Gooch loving the Sigma lip oil. Colourpop and so many international brands have lip oils, and in India we have some brands which are like natural makeup brands which have lip oil for like 800-900 rupees, and I'm like, I cannot afford it. So I want Insight, I want Mars to launch, I want Miss Claire to launch lip oils. Okay, if you are listening, don't make more lipstick. We have enough. Mars, again, yet another, launch their lipstick. I reviewed them, I love them, but it's 2021. We don't need matte lipstick, we need lip oils. Okay, so please, if you are listening, just launch them. Okay, so yeah, recently NYB has their lip gloss, which I love. It's a very interesting formula. So I hope NYB will launch lip oils also. I hope, because they are making such trendy products. Okay, now the brand which is following trend is, I think, NYB. So yeah, and then we have like what we have. So we have another category which is powder foundation. Yes, a lot of brand recently land, even Elf has a powder foundation. I wish all the new launches by Elf would be available in India, because Elf just know how to be on trend. They are so trendy. So I hope that powder foundation will come to India. And my favorite influencer Kelly Gooch really likes the powder foundation and stuff. I wish more Indian brands will come out with powder foundation, that too with the shade range of Elf, like amazing shade range. I hope hope I can insert it. See the shade range. When I will see Indian drugstore making such good shade range of powder? When? It's 2022, and just do it. Just do it. Do it. People will love it. I'm telling you, people are not into whiteness now. I don't think so anybody is, and people will buy your powders if you will launch this shade range. Just do it. Okay. Okay, next is lipstick, but different kind of lipstick. Sheer coverage lipstick. Yes, I saw Too Faced has their heart shaped lipstick, and they have some butters in the center, and it is amazing. I will try to insert it. It is so cute. First of all, it's Too Faced, so it's expensive, plus it's Too Faced, it's so shady. So I wish brands like Mars and Insight will just do the carbon copy only. Okay, I will be happy. Just do that packaging, that heart shape packaging, and that too with such sheer coverage. I will run to grab all the shades. Okay, I will promise you. Okay, just do it. It's so cute. Just check it out. And if you're getting into makeup, you will love it. You will not like full coverage makeup. Okay, even full coverage lipstick. So that is such a brilliant launch. I wish that this will come to India, okay, or buy some different brands, not Too Faced. But I want the heart shape packaging. I want the same concept, and yeah, I'm hoping at least Mars will do this. Just copy it, okay. I love it. Next is this kind of 4 pans, and I saw Colourpop doing it for like different I'm forgetting the word. I'm so tired. I know. So yeah, this is the 4th or 5th video that I'm filming, so I am tired, I know. So like, yeah, Colourpop is doing this, and I'm like drooling over it. I will insert. It's so cute, and this is the trend. Now is not the trend for bigger palettes. So if Mars is listening, stop making more of these. Make these. These are so good, and cords are in trends, and I want to collect cords, but tell me which brand in India is making such cords, such beautiful cords. They are looking amazing. I want them, and I want from a good brand. Okay, I want it from a brand like Mars, which I trust. The quality of eyeshadow is phenomenal. So I want Mars to, again, if you want to carbon copy it, do it, but I want it. And Colourpop, it's so intriguing. I want to try it, and I can, but I don't want to pay customs and blah blah blah, and it will not be that affordable. Okay, so instead I'm expecting Mars to make them. Okay, just Indian brands should also see these trends and just follow it. Just make it. What's the harm in it? Okay, so that's that. What else? So yeah, I hope I'm covered all the trendy things that I'm seeing from, especially from US bloggers. They are doing, we will not try them, send it to me, I will try that. Okay, so I wish Indian brands will also start making and start just see my suggestion, just see some of these bloggers, they do, will I buy it? And in US, everybody does follow the trend, every brand. So they just, will I buy it? Oh, okay, I have it, I will not. And I'm like, send it to me then. Send it to me, don't just throw it. Okay, I want Indian brands to follow the trend, especially the trend of sheer makeup. I love it. So it's so trendy, and I wish Indian brands will also start making such makeup which is so trendy and internationally, and it's a good trend. It's not a bad trend. I will so excited if this would be any bad trend. It's a good trend. And I hated the trend of big eyeshadow palettes. Okay, I love the trend of the squads and trios and duos, and I just want Indian brands to hop into these trends. So if you like this video, please do not forget to like, share, subscribe. Do let me know in the comment section, are you bored with the Indian brands? Like Maybelline just has the new Zodiac collection. Do you even want me to even try it? Like, are you excited? Because I'm not excited. And we have these lipstick, we are bored. How many lipstick we want? And every time a new launch, I am like, new, okay, let's just check, it's going to be another lipstick. We have them. Okay, make some trendy products. Just copy paste if you don't have your own ideas, but at least do something trendy. Okay, so yeah, I'm thinking about doing an anti-haul. If you want my suggestion about the newly launched, we have the Jacqueline collection, and I don't know who is buying it, and maybe Jacqueline fans will try it. She's so cute, but it's so expensive and nothing is so unique to me. I don't think so I will buy the Jacqueline collection, although I think she's very cute. So what? So what? I will have her wallpaper in my phone or something, but I don't need to go and grab a Jacqueline collection. If that would be something unique, I would have. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. And yeah, I hope you like this video. If you do, please do not forget to like, share, subscribe, and I shall see you in my next one. Bye.